Morning. This is day 4 of the day chicks. We are brooding at 32 degrees. We are using the DAMLY 6500 plus with the control sensors. This is a small flock of 6,000 birds. Sorry, 8,000 birds, and we're using 6 DAMLY Gas Brooders because, as you can see, the level of comfort in our brooder has been optimized. We're doing temperatures between 30 to 32. We have a ceiling cover in our main brooder, and we have also tried to insulate just using local materials, the side curtains, the brooders offer a very high level of bird comfort, and as you can see, there is absolutely no displacement on the birds. We're using LPG gas, and in this flock we estimate to use about 300 kilos of that, which is significantly very low. Our brewing costs are going to be anywhere between 4.5 to 5.5 shillings. We brewed for 21 days, and we are targeting a market weight at day 32 of about 1.8 live weight. That means we need to brood comfortably and push the birds to about 200 grams within the first 7 days, which is only achievable by practicing the best management in the farm and using